All right, guys, we got a bunch of rocks here. And going up the trail. I don't trip myself. Whoops. A little water here. Anyway. And it just goes on wandering up there. Oh, I hear water. Later. This is Cold Springs Shelter. Coming right up on it. It's right on the trail, as you can see. A little creek runs back behind there. People sleep all around here. There's not much place to sleep, it looks like. Yeah, here's the little stream. Here's a little fire pit. And I think it says sleep about 6. You might get a few more in there if you had to. It's where you hang your bags. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. This is right on the, we were just saying, I wish, well, it says camping 1/10 of a mile, so, because there's not much area to sleep at. But it's neat, got this little piped spring going on down. Sticking his tongue out at you. I don't know what that is, but it's cute the way they left it. It's like some little animal with a head. There's some of my trees. Yeah. 1.4 gap. 3.42 Tellico. That's what it's saying. Oh. Okay. Later. Alright, guys. Here's my little dancing trees. There's a little tunnel in here. We're going to walk down here to the end and let you see how pretty it is when it opens up. If I can stay on my feet. Just a little rocky. Not bad. A little muddy. But it's like a little cathedral in here. It's like God's saying, come in and stay nice and get cooled off and let these trees heal whatever's going on with you. Your body or mind or spirit. Oh my goodness. It's amazing. Wish all of you could be out here with me and dance with these dancing trees. And it's a little clearing up here. We're about to get to the top here, I think, and then we'll be able to, we'll be going mostly down today. We'll have a few little ups and downs. So let me see. Sorry for the noise with my poles. All right, I think we're gonna get around this bend. We made it without stumbling. And we may be going through some more over there. There they are. There's a blaze. Thank you, God, for a beautiful day and the help to be out here. It's so hard. Okay, we got a lot of little trees stuck in between everything, but if you'll look, you can see all those pretty little rock formations. Is what stopped us to look at them this morning. They're just beautiful. Here's some more rocks right here. Just nature showing off. Okay, later. All right, guys, we got about 2/10 of a mile down to Tellico, and it's a pretty view. Been so quiet today, even though we passed a lot of people's passed us. Okay, guys, we have made it to Tellico Gap. We're not quite down to the road, but this is the little sign they give you as you get up into the woods. And there we go. We got to go down there into the street, and we'll be through. Later. Hey, guys, just finished up with Tellico Gap. We left from Burningtown this morning early, about 8 o'clock, and we're over here at Tellico. So I hope y'all are doing well. Just wanted to let you know what we were doing here, and it was a good hike. It was a little climb up, about 1 mile and 9/10 or so climb up, and that was a little for us. I mean, it's better. The climbs are getting a little bit better, so that's good. That's good. But so we're finishing up, like I said, here at Tellico, and good hike. We had couple of pretty views. You'll see those, and that's about it. It was sort of sun in and out all day, so hazy. Now it's hazy. But the rain's supposed to be starting to come in, so we'll see how that goes. If we'll be hiking tomorrow, they're supposed to have some thunderstorms, and we'll just see what comes across, and comes across into North Carolina too. Otherwise, we'll see you on the next one. Thank y'all for watching. I really appreciate you, all you newcomers. I appreciate it. For you newcomers, I am doing a lot of slack packing, getting myself in shape for the trail, on the trail. And so we're skipping some sections that are a little longer, but we're going to go back and catch those up too. And I think, I know April 15th there's going to be some, no, I'm sorry, not April, March 15th there's going to be some places we can get in and get out and not have to be out in the weather according to The weather's starting to get a little cold, even though we've had really unseasonably warm weather here. We've been blessed, but it's starting to get a little cold, and we just, we'll see how all that works with how we get in and out of those particular roads that'll open up the 15th. So when you see all these, I don't know if I'll put them in order or if I'll just go ahead and put them like we hiked them. But either way, you'll know. We'll let you know. All right, later, and have a great day. And I'm on. Get me some pizza today. All right. Thank you. Bye.